In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix try searching to get started on YouTube. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your YouTube application. So if in any case you're seeing this on your dashboard, try searching to get started. This means that you haven't used YouTube yet for your Gmail or Google account. So to fix this, you want to search any videos that you want to watch. Let's say watch the NBA. Just try and watch some videos. Let's say I'm going to watch this video. So just simply watch this for a few seconds. Now just open a new video. So what you want to do is just watch different kinds of videos so YouTube can detect what videos they will put to your suggested videos. Again, let's just watch another video. So let's try and closing the YouTube. And when we open it again, as you can see, you will now have your suggested videos right here for you. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.